In the distant planet of Daruva, the repository of Hindu scriptures and knowledge, a sense of tranquility was shattered by the sudden invasion of demons from the underworld, Narak. Led by the powerful demon king, Mahishasura, they sought to destroy the ancient wisdom and enslave the inhabitants. The demons, with their dark magic and advanced weaponry, ravaged the planet, leaving destruction in their wake. The sages and scholars, guardians of the sacred knowledge, rallied to defend their homeland, invoking the power of the Vedas and the gods. The fate of Daruva and the future of Hinduism hung in the balance. The warriors of Hinduism, led by the brave and wise Prince Arjuna, launched a counterattack against the demon army. With their advanced spacecraft, the Brahmastra, and their powerful weapons, the Astras, they battled the demons in an epic struggle across the galaxy. As the war raged on, the warriors invoked the power of the Vedas, channeling the energy of the gods into their weapons and shields. The demons, however, were relentless, and their dark magic threatened to overwhelm the Hindu forces. Just when all seemed lost, Prince Arjuna remembered the ancient wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita, and the power of selfless action. With newfound determination, he led the charge against the demon king, Mahishasura. The final battle was intense, with both sides trading blows and neither gaining the upper hand. But the warriors of Hinduism had the power of their faith and the ancient knowledge on their side. With a mighty cry of, Har Har Mahadev, they launched a devastating attack that shattered the demon army and sent Mahishasura fleeing in defeat. With the demon army vanquished, the warriors of Hinduism had saved the ancient knowledge and wisdom of their civilization from destruction. The galaxy was once again safe, and the planet of Daruva was hailed as a symbol of courage and resilience. The warriors returned as heroes, their names etched in the annals of history, and their legend inspiring generations to come. The ancient wisdom of Hinduism had prevailed, and the power of faith and knowledge had triumphed over the forces of darkness. The epic sci-fi space adventure had become a celebrated chapter in the history of the galaxy, a testament to the enduring power of Hinduism.